Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a balloon. We'll need some yarn. I have Alize Bella 100% cotton yarn, a hook. I'm using 1.25 millimeter hook, scissors, and some stuffing. To begin with, we're gonna make a magic circle or magic ring. First round, we're gonna make 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Now we're gonna pull our shortest thread to close our magic ring. Now we're gonna join our circle with a slip stitch. For that, I'm gonna make a little loose our loop here. I'm gonna go in our very first stitch right here, and I'm gonna make it a little loose. Okay, now I'm gonna go from behind and go through our stitch. Take our loop and pull it through. Now we closed our magic ring, and you see that we have 6 stitches. For the second round, we have to make 2 single crochet in every stitch that we have. So at the end, we'll have 12 stitches in our second round. First single crochet, we're gonna make in our very first stitch right here that we did our joining. And here we'll make our second one. So now we made 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, so you have to make 5 more. We're gonna pull again our yarn, shorter one, to make it more tight. And again, we're gonna join our circle, our second round, with a slip stitch. That was our second round. In the third round, at the end, we have to get 18 stitches, and for that we're gonna make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and we're gonna repeat it 6 times. Very first one, as in the second round, we're gonna make in our very first stitch right here, the one that we did our joining with. And now we're gonna repeat it 6 times. And again, in this round, I will join our circle with a slip stitch. Next round, round 4, we have to make 1 single crochet in every single stitch. So at the end, we'll again have 18 stitches. And we'll start our round also with this stitch that we have, the one that we did our joining. So we finished our fourth round, and we have 18 single stitches. It's gonna be the last round when we join in our rounds with a slip stitch. So for the round 5, we'll be making 2 single crochet in one stitch and 2 single crochets. And we'll repeat it 6 times. This time around, we're gonna start with 2 single crochet in 2 stitches. So we're gonna make our first single crochet in the stitch that we made our joining with. We're gonna make again next single crochet in next stitch, and now we're gonna make our increase. So we're gonna make 2 single crochet in one stitch. And we have to repeat it 5 more times. At the end of this round, we'll have 24 stitches. In this round, we're not going to be joining our round with a slip stitch, but we're going to continue crocheting in circles. In the next rounds, we'll be making 24 single crochet in every stitch. So for the next rounds, and it's going to be around 5 more rounds, we're gonna make 24 single stitches. But it is important to find very first single stitch, so we're not gonna miss it. And in my right here, it's the very first one. It's the one that we did our joining usually. So that's the one. So first round with 24 single crochet. And we're not going to be doing our slip stitch as well in this time around. So we just continue crocheting 24 single crochet in the next round. So we have to make 4 more rounds crocheting 24 single crochet in each round. So now we made our 5 rounds with 24 single crochet, and next round we have to make decrease. So at the end of the next round, and it's going to be round number 12, we have to get 18 stitches. So for that, we'll be making 1 decrease and 2 single crochets. So we're gonna start with a decrease. So for decrease, so that's how I'm doing decrease. I need 2 stitches, but I need only half of them, the one that is closer to me. First half of the stitch, and I'm going to the second half of the stitch right here, and I'm taking a thread and pulling it through both of them together, and I'm finishing this crochet. So that was first decrease. Next we have to make 2 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Make sure you're not going to be crocheting next stitch in the one that we just decreased. So next one going to be right here. So that was the first. We have to make 5 more decreases and we'll finish our round, and it's going to be round number 12. So next decrease, I'm going to show you one more time how I'm making decrease. So I'm going to be decreasing these 2 stitches and we'll make 1 crochet through these 2 stitches. First, I'm going to take half of the stitch, first one right here, and I'm going to go through the second one as well, right here. I'm going to take yarn and I'm going to pull it through both of them together, and I finish it right here. That was my decrease. Next, we have to make 2 single crochets in 2 stitches. Now we have to make it 4 more times. So we finished our round 12 and we have 18 stitches at the end. Next round number 13, we have to make 18 single crochet in this round. So we'll be making 1 single crochet in every stitch. We're not going to be joining anything, we're going to be just crocheting in rounds or in spiral. So we finished 13 rounds, and at this time we're going to fill our balloon. We can add more stuffing if we need in the next round. So in round number 14, we have to make decreases again. So at the end of this round, we'll have 12 stitches. Okay. And this time around, we'll be making 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. Okay. So round 14 is done. We'll have 12 stitches in our round. Next round, round 15, we have to make 12 single stitches in every single stitch. So 12 single crochet in every stitch. So round 15 is done. Again, we have 12 stitches, and at this time you can see if you need to add more stuffing. I think I need a little more, so I'm going to add a little more stuffing inside. In the next round, round number 16, we have to make 6 decreases. So at the end of this round we'll have 6 stitchers. We have 6 stitchers at the end of our round number 16. Next round, round 17, we have to make 6 single crochet in every stitch. So round 17 done as well, and our last round, round number 18, we have to make 6 increases. So in every single stitch we'll make 2 single crochets. So now we have the last round done. Now it's time to join our circle or our round with a slip stitch. So now we joined our last round and it's time to cut our yarn. We don't need a really long end, so I'm gonna cut it right here. And we can pull it through. And we just need to hide our yarn inside.